Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is February the 3rd. We are out here in Suwanee, Georgia. This is a new client. I came out last week with my ride along. We did a consultation. Brett, he booked on the spot. We're going to be doing a screener recoat with UV cure and also his granite countertops. And then after this, I have a repeat client that's moving into an apartment and coming. We're gonna go do her floors, and then we have another consultation in Suwanee later on today between 4 and 5. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we had that winter, you can still see some snow on some of the neighbors' roofs. So anyway, go ahead and show you what we got going. Cannot wait till I get my smaller truck wrapped. So this is a small project. I think it's like 800 something square feet. And going to be doing a screener recoat. Floors are not too bad, but again, clients can start telling. Now we're also going to do the granite countertops that definitely need some TLC. Over here. You see all that residue on them. If you feel your granite and they feel kind of rough, almost like sandpaper, that's the indication you need a good reconditioning. So these are the floors that we're doing, guys. As I say, they're not too bad, to be honest, but if you look at them really close, you can see a lot of scuff marks, a lot of scratches, micro scratches, not deep scratches. Now we do have some deep scratches right here, and those will not come out completely unless you do a full sand. Then over here, we got this floor, which isn't too bad. Actually, the worst area is right here, guys. You see that? See how that color is starting to fade out? So what I'm gonna do is add some color back there, and then we're gonna coat it with the rad coat. So we're gonna be doing this dining room. That's the only thing they didn't move was this china cabinet, because a lot of people don't like to take all this stuff out. And then here, from the garage, also gonna do that small potty room, and then this kitchen area. So real small project. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Suwanee nights, Hardwood talking back to me. What a pride and a clean white bride. Floors been living, but they're ready for new life. Screening light, don't rush that move. Every boy got a story, yeah, I read the grain too. Just fall slow like jazz on wax. 808 hum in the back of the slab. Patience in the process, that's the quote I live. I don't guess on wood, I listen to what it did. Screen, recoat, let it blow in a UV hit. Hardwood shine, midnight on instinct, girl, every duality. Stop, granite clean like a fresh pressed flip. From the floor to the top, hold on tight, Suwanee love, how true men handle it, yeah. When the countertop, polish real calm. Get talk back when the light come on. No shortcuts, no rush, no fear. My name on the work, and it gotta be clear. Southern crawling the way I move. Jazz in the hands, but the kind real smooth. Doogie flash like a tamaro. Finish lopping, yeah, the shine on. This ain't loud. It's precise. Same rhythm every time. Experience the heart. Street, Rico, you be girl, make you stand tall. Granite, go hardwood, so whole house feel like a vinyl heart. So, let the weight breathe in the walls. From the sand to the floor, one vision. Suwanee, yeah, we answer the call. Jazz
came out great. Also, Miss Brett, what you think?
It looks great.
It looks great?
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. You see how it looks nice and clean now?
Yes.
You don't see all those scuff marks and those little micro scratches?
Yeah.
Also the countertops, got the countertops done.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Well, we are done. Again, their floors came out great. But like I said, guys, their floors, the worst part was the office where that look discoloration was kind of fading. But again, a lot of all the micro scratches are going, scuff marks. Got a nice, beautiful satin finish on here. Not too shiny, but you can still see that reflection. Satin is actually my #1 recommended sheen. Then let's go over here. Deep scratches. They already knew those was coming out. Over here, beautiful. And then over here in the office, remember right here, guys, it was faded. See how that finish brought it back. All right, guys, clients are very happy. Thank you again. And tomorrow, we also went and did another project for a repeat client, her apartment in Cummings, which wasn't far away. And then tomorrow we have 2. Thursday we have 2. Friday we still got, it's really, really busy, and we not even got into the springtime yet. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.